Oftentimes when people have children, the issue of parenting time and custody comes up. Again, not very many cases are so complicated or the parents are so high conflict that the lawyers can't help you resolve it. But if you get into a situation where custody or parenting time is a big issue, if there are allegations of abuse against the children, you really need to consider hiring a professional to do a custody evaluation. In the past, each party would hire their own evaluator. Pretty much now the judges expect you to hire one neutral evaluator. Because of the cutbacks in government, the counties do very limited work in custody studies. So if you have a custody issue, you have to hire somebody. Few people in the Twin City area are qualified to do custody studies, although many of them hold themselves out as being capable. Again, there are only a few people that do it. You need to talk to your lawyer about their qualifications and whether they would fit with your personality and the family situation that you have. Usually they are either psychologists or other mental health professional like a marriage and family therapist, and they have rules and guidelines about doing a study. And a study, people say, well, I don't want my children involved in this study, but that's a necessary part of a study. These people are trained not to frighten or make the children anxious. They ask open-ended questions. They would never ask who a child wants to live with. And they usually have good rapport with children. That's part of their expertise. And so you pay for that person. A study can be very expensive. I've seen them upwards of $30,000. Or you can say, we agree on X, Y, and Z, but we just don't agree on what school the child is going to go to. So you can limit the custody evaluator's responsibilities and obligations by saying just focus on that. Just focus on the parenting time schedule. School choice is a big issue for a lot of parents, and we have people that do limited studies in that area. But don't think that your kids are going to be hurt by it. It often helps people reach a resolution to have a neutral third party look at the situation and tell you from a professional's viewpoint what might be best for your children.